Hello guys, welcome back to One True Legends. Today we are back here with our first drone flight of 2024. So it's the 1st of January today, and we're going to do a nice flight. So we're going to take off now.
Home point updated.
Just take off button. Alright, we can take off now.
Home point updated.
I'm in the air. Start recording. So yeah, we're gonna go as far as possible today. Okay. No, the seagulls. I don't want the seagull to hit my drone. We're gonna experiment. Yeah, check us out. I'm gonna try to go through these. Don't hit it. Check us out. A bit risky. Went through it. Now we're gonna go through the other one. Oh, flip. I've got a flipping warning in front of the screen. Right. It stopped raining now, as you can see. Look at that. Let's try and go high. It's starting to rain quite a bit actually. I'm not going to go far. It might rain a lot. I don't want it to chuck it down. Plus, if I go somewhere else, it might be raining a lot in that area.
Max altitude reached.
Let's go over that lake. There's a lake over here. I see the drone. I can see the drone. Let's try and go over here. Get a sick view. Look at that. I want to do FPV mode. Look at that. You can hear a plane. You can probably see it. Let's see if we can spot the plane. There, you can see it, look. Now, where's our home? Let's see. Yeah, there you go. So I could just go. So I'm over here. Let's go a little bit lower. It's a little bit windy, but the wind's not that high. Like, the drone is really far away from me. You can see it. I want to do a time lapse. What I could do, I just keep it recording and I can make a hyperlapse. Literally like looking at an aircraft. So yeah, it stopped raining. I think if it starts raining again, I think I'm gonna start heading back. The drone, I mean. See, look at the lake. Let's face the drone. Look at that view. I don't want to go low just in case I hit something. See, there's not much to explore here, but yeah, I want to go to more places and get shots while it's sunny. And make cinematic shots. This is just flying for fun, basically. Let's try and go eastwards. Let's see what that is about. It's quite mad how I can go really far away. See the seagulls over here. Let's go to this field over here. Look at that. Insane. First flight of 2024. We're going to do a lot of flights this year. I see pigeons where my drone is. Let's just make sure I'm not going near the pigeons. You can see the other. Look at that. Again, RC is getting a little bit low now. Let's assess the area.
Max altitude reached.
We're already below right now. Alright, we're below this. Check it out. Weak signal flip. I think we started him. It's gonna return to home anyway, even if the signal's weak. So I'm literally way over there. It's crazy. I can just rely on the screen. I'm in a safe area anyway. I'm on top of fields. Let's do a 360 photo while we're there. Alright, let's go in panel mode. Take this fair photo. I never flew this far before, but when flat field, where the drone is, it's in a flat area, so now we can go back to recording mode. Recording. Let's go back. Come back here. Should try and go through these hoops. Let's descend. Let's be careful because the seagull's flying around where it is right now. Should we go to FPV mode? Let's go to FPV mode. Absolutely crazy. Look at that. It's like a bird. Just try and go low down. See, I'm over here. Let's see where we're below. We're below here. Alright. Make sure we don't hit the goalpost. Oh, we're gonna hit it. Oh, we're low now. Look at that view. Let's go through this now. That is sick. In portrait mode, that looks sick. That's me right here. Right, we're gonna go to portrait mode now. Stop recording. Portrait mode. Because you can see more of the ground and the ground will appear that it's moving faster. I can create short form content with this as well. Right, let's do this. The drone hits that at full speed. That looks so sick. It's like flying an FPV drone. I feel like I'm flying an FPV drone. Oh shit, we could hear it. Let's go a bit lower now. It will appear faster when it's lower. Actually, we could hit the ground. We've got to be careful. Let's go a bit higher now. People are here, so let's go to a different area. Look at that view. When we're low down, that footage is so sick. I want to do that over the water, but it's really dangerous over the water. Look at the seagulls. Look at the seagulls over there. Go higher. We don't need it to hit my drone. Let's get that footage. Look at that. Look at that. We're 28% now. We gotta consider staying here. Look at that view. I want to go low down there, but look at that. Let's go back to normal gimbal mode. Yeah, I want to go low down over the water. Get cinematic FPV shot, but unfortunately, look at that. It's literally all over the place. These seagulls. We're really high. Seagulls not gonna go anywhere near that high where my drone is. We've got some sick footage here. From down here, it looks insane. I think I'll bring the drone down. We're gonna go away from the seagulls as well. Flipping hell. Where the drone's a safe distance. The drone is a safe distance away from the seagulls anyway, so I'm gonna stay up here until they stop. But my battery's low, so I'm gotta consider coming back. I want to get more low down shots through the goalposts. Plus, I've gotten used to looking at the screen. You don't even need to look at the drone in real life. You only need to look at the screen, because the screen is actually more accurate than looking at it in real life. Because when you look at the drone in real life, you don't know what direction the drone is facing. You actually know better.
Battery level is low.
Let's cancel return to home.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
I want to do FPV mode again, but go over these goalposts. Stop recording. Go there. FPV mode. Start recording. We go quite low. Actually, after this we're gonna come straight back home, so flipping out. Oh, we nearly hit the ground, man. Right, we're gonna go here and then we're gonna come back home. It's a bit risky actually. The drone could land at any moment, so let's just turn back right now. Oh, it's so slow turning around. I think I set the gimbal to move slower on sport mode to make it look more appealing for the viewers, but that could mean I have to walk over to my drone to get it back. It's quite far. Look at that view. Right, we're back home now.
Critic.
Right, we're gonna land the drone now. We're gonna hang her a bit.
Critically low battery warning.
Alright.
Critically low
Drone.
battery warning.
So yeah guys, that was my first drone flight of 2024. I'll be making more videos soon. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and yeah guys, peace out.